Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have here a white 2021 Tesla Model Y, finished out in XPEL Stealth. So ultimately, this customer had come to us soon after taking delivery, looking to protect their vehicle with XPEL Paint Protection film from rocks, road debris, nicks, and chips, and everything like that. Upon arrival, the client had actually seen the installation of this product going on into another vehicle inside the facility. And at first we were determined just to protect just the front end, but after seeing the XPEL Stealth being installed, the client wanted to take it a little bit further. And because the unique metallic flake inside the white paint really shines through with the satin matte in the perfect lighting. So if we get up close, we can actually still see the satin matte paint protection film still shows the metallic flake in it, with giving it a nice sleek finish. Now, this vehicle was entirely wrapped in this paint protection film, so this offers the maximum level of protection that is achievable. All the painted surfaces now include an XPEL Stealth satin matte paint protection film.